Hey everyone, I'm back once more with the amazing Woody Van Eyden, who's here to give you some fantastic insider tips into the music business. So Woody is an internationally acclaimed music manager, he's a DJ, he's a trance producer, a label owner. So he's done a lot of things and he really knows what he's talking about. So this is the last part of a 5-part video series, so if you haven't seen the other parts, please make sure to check them out. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name's Kirsten and I'm an audiovisual artist under the name Naoki. I've also recently written the book Performing Electronic Music Live, and one of my chapters talks about how you can plan and promote your live show. And this chapter has got a special tutorial by Woody Van Eyden, who's actually here today to give you the last part of his series of tips about the music business. So today Woody is going to talk about how important it is to be unique and remarkable as an artist. As Pablo Picasso famously said, good artists borrow and great artists steal, but it's still important to find yourself and to do your own thing as well. So without further ado, I'm going to pass over to Woody now.
This topic is called what makes us different, what makes you different, what makes a track different, what makes your performance different. In the beginning of a producer career, you should, it's like cooking, here again, we go again. Try to build a track like the track that you like, rebuild it, copy paste it, as close as you can. Because once you know how to copy paste it, you can take out ingredients and put your own stuff in. You know, so it's completely okay for newcomers to copy paste, as long as you find out what is in the track. You know, why is that sounding like it is, you know. So that's, if you find out how to copy paste, then you can start being different, you know. Be unique in all the things that you do. Try to be unique. It's easy to say, I know this, you know, but like a DJ name, you know. The DJ name needs to be available, but it still needs to sound cool. It needs to, you know, if you're looking for a DJ name, performance name, and it's called, I don't know, not interesting, you know, it's you don't stand out, you're not unique. Productions needs to be unique. Song title. I remember I had a track out on Future Sound of Egypt, and in the production I found some samples, and I played them, and this girl got da 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 da. And I looked to the sound library that I have and I bought and I had the rights to. And I said, this is from India, some vocals. So I contacted somebody that I know there. I said, what is the girl singing? And he's just singing, something like Do, Re, Mi, Fa, Sol, in your language, Sa, Ri, Pa, Da, Ni, Za. I said, how? He said, Sa, Ri, Pa, Da, Ni, Za. And I wrote it down, Sa, Ri, Pa, Da, Ni, Za. I typed it in, and Google said no search. No traffic. They didn't find it. I went to Google.com and NL and all the Googles, and they couldn't find it. So if you now Google the word Za, Ri, Pa, Da, Ni, Za, you will always come to me. You'll always come to me. You know. So be unique in song titles, and in productions, in performance. I mean, Boris Brejcha, he's a great producer and a great technical skill producer. Still, he's known by the mask. He is, in the early days when he started, going, wow, look at these Venetian masks, it's great, you know. Or look at Fisher, an artist. For me, Fisher is an amazing producer and an amazing performer. But on the performance side, those Fisher moves, it comes from the inside, but it's so unique. You see a little video, you see somebody moving, you know, oh, it's Fisher, without hearing the music, which is unique, you know. I mean, Steve Aoki. The whole world knows his show. But from the whole world, I don't know how many percentage will not be able to name 5 tracks of Steve Aoki. But they know his performance. They know about Cake Me, and they know all about that. So that is very unique. The social media appearance you have, it must be unique, and it's very, very difficult. I know, but with a filter here and filter there, and some gifts here and some gifts there. So go and try to be unique. Try to find your own signature sound and a signature performance. This can be in little own shoot video. You don't need big productions these days, you know, but it needs to be yours. It needs to be unique. So maybe some takeaway points at the end is like, have and set your goals. Have goals and set them and write them down and relook at them, you know. Be consistent and professional. Educate yourself. Learn from your own mistakes. You know, listen what you do. You know, so many things that I've been doing, that I record them and I listen to them. How do I speak? How do I do this? How do I do that? You know, listen to your own performances and say, oh, I can do this better. So educate yourself. Work hard, of course. Stay patient. That was always a big issue for me, but you gotta be patient, you know. And high quality music, because at the end, with all the social media and all the respect and everything that I have outside, it is about good music, you know. So build up a strong and remarkable artist identity for your sound, for your performance, for your visibility, for your social media, for everything. And be unique, be creative. Thank you so much for listening. Yours, Woody Van Eyden.
Wow, what a brilliant summary at the end there. I really enjoyed these videos. I hope you found them as useful as I did. Please let us know in the comments down below what your favourite tip was. I thought they were all super useful and super interesting. So if you've enjoyed getting to know Woody, do make sure to check out his streaming platform, Support Your DJ, where you can watch your favourite DJs perform live from the comfort of your own home. Also, if you want to learn more about how to perform electronic music live, please do make sure to check out my book, which I will link down below in the description. And subscribe to my channel for more production tutorials, crazy music videos, and so on. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!